Hello everyone and welcome to a special edition kind of a Stitch Fix unboxing from me. The people have spoken. You guys wanted me to try out the cheaper version or the cheapest option that you can do with Stitch Fix. So I changed my settings immediately after that unboxing where I saw those comments. And so we're gonna see if the quality is any better or worse. For anyone new, I mean Stitch Fix real quick. I am technically an affiliate. Anyone can be an affiliate. It's not because I have a YouTube channel or anything, but I do always have my link down below if you want to use it. I would very much appreciate it. Even if you're just thinking about checking Stitch Fix out, you don't have to give them a credit card or anything to get started. You go on, you take your little style profile quiz, you tell them what you like, what you don't like, what you're looking for in clothing, what colors you like, etc, etc, and also your price range. You know, it asks you how much do you typically spend on t-shirts, jeans, etc, etc, and I think the cheapest options are it's either 20 or 25 bucks to 50 bucks. I always have mine on the second option, 50 bucks to 100 bucks, which no, I'm not usually comfortable spending that much, but I just felt like that would be, you know, if I am gonna buy a special piece, I feel like I would spend that much on it. But it does get me into trouble in that, you know, sometimes I get a piece and I'm like, I know how overpriced that is. But now that I have it, I can't send it back. Either way, so you tell them when you want to fix, you can get it, I think, as often as every 2 weeks. You can also space it out. I have mine set to every other month. It is $20 to get your fix, and then whatever items you decide to keep, if you keep all 5 items, I believe it is 25% off of your whole order purchase, and you also get the $20 taken off that you paid to get the box to come to you. So even if you keep just one item, if you keep a $20 shirt, well, that's not an option. Probably if you kept a $50 shirt, let's say, you would then get the $20 deducted because you already paid that for your fix, and then the shirt will only be an additional $30. If you don't keep anything, your $20 does stay with Stitch Fix though. So I think that's about all I can tell you. I'm gonna open up this box here. I just personally enjoy Stitch Fix. I know a lot of people are like, why do you get that? And I'm like, I just think it's fun. I don't know. I think it's fun. I think it's fun videos. I enjoy them as a company. Like, I like seeing what clothing other people pick out for me. And it just gets me to try new things. And they do also send you a pre-labeled mailer bag. So any returns you're gonna make, you put in there and it's free for you to ship back. Or if you need to make exchanges, if something comes damaged to you, I don't know that that's ever happened to me, or if you just need a different size, you can do an exchange that way as well. Oh no! The cutest part of every box had kind of fallen out here, but the little envelope that they give you to tell you prices and everything. I just love this little card. Oh, hello. I know I say it every time, but it gets me every time. I just think that's adorable. Everything comes all nice and wrapped up. I see stripes, which makes me happy. Oh, it is so nice and soft. Also, it is 5 items that they send you. And it can be a mixture of accessories, shoes, and clothing. But of course, you can specify if you don't want to get shoes or whatever the case is. So, open this up, see what we got. Surprised it doesn't look like I got any accessories this time. I do look forward to, they usually send me 1 accessory, but in any case, this looks right up my alley. It is so soft. Like, yeah, very soft. My cats will definitely want to steal this. Oh, and it's a cardigan. Oh, my weakness. Oh, this is cute. So it's a multi-tonal cardigan here. So a gray and a gray and a gray, but all different. One of them is like striated, granulated, whatever you're gonna want to call it. Looks like it's just gonna be nice and flowy and cute. The back is completely the darker gray color, and the sleeves have the stripes, and then the front panels have the stripes. That's cute. I'm excited to try that on, and it feels lightweight but still like it would be warm and cozy. That is certainly my style, as is this probably. Is it? Oh, it's a t-shirt. Okay, I was expecting it to be, oh, this is cute. Oh crap, this is really cute. Okay, so it's just a purple and cream striped t-shirt. As you can see, it is very soft. This would be so comfy, and you think it's just plain, and you're like, okay, it's a plain striped t-shirt, but nope. Nope, look at the back. It's got buttons down the back. Oh, it's so cute. I mean, it's not like it opens up. These are non-functional buttons, but I don't care. That's freaking cute. It looks like it's got a teeny tiny bit of a high-low. And like I said, this is so soft. Are we sure I didn't like change it to the extra high cost option? Oh, I hope not. I'm pretty sure I did cheapest. Okay, so next we've got this beautiful olivey foresty green color shirt. All right, also something that I could see myself wearing. That is like a gorgeous color. That'll make my eyes go shabang for sure. And it's just a plain long sleeve shirt. Very, very soft feeling, but also very lightweight feeling. And then in the back, it's just got this like crisscross detail, which I always enjoy. Helps to let things breathe and also shows off my tattoos, so yay. Oh, there is an accessory, yay! It was just hidden in there. Usually they don't wrap that up in with the clothing. But, alright, last but not least, we've got a thicker feeling sweater, but this is also super cute. I love stripes. And this is just a really rich, deep navy color. It looks like there's really not much to it other than they sent me a lot of stuff from this Pink Clover brand, but that's okay. I really seemingly like it a lot. Yeah, these 3 items are all from this Pink Clover brand, which they have never sent me before. I'm guessing because you can hook your or link your Stitch Fix up with your Pinterest page so that your stylist can look through it and see on your board what kind of styles you like. So that's very helpful for them as well. So they probably saw a lot of stripes in there. I'm a sucker for a good stripe. And then the jewelry I'm extra excited about because, I mean, they do this with the clothes now too, but they've got this option where you can go in. I should do it. I haven't done it in a while, but it'll like show an item, piece of jewelry, a shirt, a pair of pants, shoes, whatever, and you just click whether or not you like it / you would wear it. And that's it. And then not last month, but the last time I got a Stitch Fix, one of those pieces was an accessory, a pair of earrings that I had apparently clicked, yes, I would wear those. And I opened them and I forgot that that was a thing. And I was like, oh my God, I love these earrings. These are so cute. Perfect. La 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 la. And then I saw in my stylist note, they were like, we saw you really liked these earrings. So here you go. And I'm like, oh, that's why I like them. I picked them. So I'm excited to see if this is one of the things that I picked. I don't think so. But these are cute. I mean, I don't really care, I guess, for these top 2 pairs. They're fine. I really like these little stars though. Those are very cute. It's just a bunch of studs. It looks like they've got really long backs to them. That would be really quite uncomfortable, I think. I do sleep with all my earrings in, so I just want to make sure that they're comfy to leave in. But I mean, they're cute. I have been switching out my earrings a lot more lately. I've been trying to be more conscious about that. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but it's like, why the heck not? I've got a lot of earrings, so I should probably do that. So this might be one of those things where it's like, if I like all the shirts, I probably can just keep this and it'll be cheaper with the discount and everything. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't keep them for just that pair, but you know, we'll see. We'll see with prices and everything. Now let's go and try these shirts on. I'm very excited to see how they look on me. Come on, come with me. All right, so here is shirt number 1. I'm a little on the fence about it. I feel like I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, oh, that's cute. And then I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, oh, I don't know. I mean, it shows a lot. It's one of those kind of fabrics where it's like you can see every line of a bra, you can see every line of a fupa or of a jean, like a button part of a jean, and I just think that's annoying. But it's like a tight fit here on the bottom around the hips, and then it's got some room to flow. And then the back, you guys know how much I like those kinds of things. So yeah, I feel okay on this shirt. It's not like super wowing me on, but it's also not the worst thing I've ever had on my body, I would say. And let's see, I don't really have anything to try this with, but I'll try it on over this green shirt. Now this is cute. This is something I would absolutely wear. I love the way these kind of like open, flowy, triangle cut cardigans lay. I don't know, something about it. It's very nice. It is a good length on me. There it is from the back, you know, nice and plain in the back, but then shabam! I've got a personality, you know? Yeah? And it's so soft. It's so cozy. Oh, I just want this on my body always. Yes, Cassie likes this cardigan. Cassie likes this cardigan a lot. And then this t-shirt is so cute. I love the fit of it. It's perfect. It's loose but also still shows some shape and everything. I love the color of this, just a nice soft plum. And then the back, of course, is just so cute. I love back details. I don't know why. It's like I don't get to see them, but I love knowing that the world can see and think I have a cute backside, yeah? I don't know, and it's just comfy. Feels like I'm wearing pajamas. This shirt, oh, I really, really like this shirt. Yes. And then this sweater, you guys, I was not expecting anything out of this sweater, but this is really cute. Again, it's like loose-ish, but still kind of form-fitting. I didn't notice this detail at the hem where it does the little bloop bloop. The sleeves are nice and long. I like having sleeves that kind of come down like this. It helps so that you can hang on to them when you're putting your sleeves inside of a coat, and then your sleeves don't like scrunch up while your coat is going on. And then, you know, during the day you can just kind of wear them a bit scrunched like that so they don't get in the way of your hands. This kind of neck can look really not good on me. I don't know, it's not quite like a boat neck, but this one looks really nice. I like it. I love, like I said, I love these kind of simpler pieces that still have little pops of personality and pizzazz. You know, the back is just plain. And then I can just like, I mean, either I can keep it simple like this, or else I can wear a crazy shoe. I could wear a big chunky necklace. I could do my makeup really wild. I like being able, I feel like now that I'm older, I'm only 28, but like, I don't know. It's just kind of changed. I feel like in high school and stuff I liked really busy crazy shirts and stuff, but now I like crazy accessories or like crazy shoes or that sort of a thing. So I don't know. A lot of these things I really, really like. Let's go look at the prices to see if I actually really, really like them. All right, and we are back. I am excited, like I said, or I think I expressed anyways. There are certainly items here, specifically all of these pink clover items that I adore and I definitely want to keep. So let's go ahead and see not only what my stylist says, but also the prices of these things. Okay, it says, Happy Fix Day, Cassie! Can you believe this is already your 13th fix? No. I would love to know what other styles and colors you are excited to try this season. Be sure to let me know in your feedback, blah blah blah. For fall, she wanted to include transitional pieces for me. Oh, also saying I should include it with some other items that I have gotten in the past. Also, you can see she pays attention and sees what I do and don't like, so the back details. Also noticed lots of stripes on my Pinterest page, like I said. So yay, I think Sasha, you've done my fix for quite a few fixes now, yeah? Good job. And then it gives you like outfit suggestions and that sort of a thing if you're not sure how you would want to style these pieces or how you might style them. Very cute, very good. But the big question, what are the prices? Okay, so these are cheaper than other items, and I honestly feel like a lot of this stuff is higher quality than the more expensive items. Like I said, like these all feel so nice and soft and like plush and good quality. So let's see. Color block cardigan is $44. So, you know, yes, it's like pricey. I mean, it's the same price as you would pretty much pay retail for a lot of this stuff, like if you were going to a Macy's or Nordstrom or whatever. But obviously, I guess I always just keep in mind that it's like, yes, I'm also putting a percentage of the payment towards my stylist. You know what I mean? Like Stitch Fix has to keep itself running. Like that's why in my head I'm like, yeah, I get it. This is probably like a $30 cardigan, but then they have to pay their stylists and stuff. So I guess to me it's like, it makes sense to me. But the back detail purple top is $34 and this navy sweater is $44. The green olive shirt is $38 and then the earring set is $36. So let's see. If I were to buy everything with the 25% off discount plus the $20 styling fee taken off, it would be $127. And keeping the 3 items that I like, it would be $122 and then the $20 styling fee taken off of that, so $102 for these 3 items. So since it is cheaper that way and I'm not like in love with these pieces, it's not worth the extra 20 bucks or whatever to keep these and then never wear them. You get what I'm saying? I mean, like I said, I don't dislike these studs. I just don't love all 3 sets. I really like the stars. So I'll send those back, and because I wasn't completely in love with the fit of this green shirt, everything else about it was really nice, but I just can see myself not wearing it because of the way it kind of shows everything in my stomach area. So those will be sent back. I am going to keep these 3 soft, delightful things. Sasha, more stuff from this Pink Clover brand. I apparently really like it. And I'm also really happy with the quality with the lower price setting. I was really nervous, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, that it was gonna be really bad quality, but I'm very happy. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if it was good to see this lower price range from Stitch Fix. You can do that either through a comment or also by giving me a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. I shouldn't already be getting into my outro here because I have other things to say, just in that I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you liked all of these items on me, if you only liked some of them, etc, etc. Let me know if you get Stitch Fix. Are you interested in it? Like I said earlier, I do have my affiliate code down below, or link, it's not a code. If you want to check them out, you can feel free to use that. If you want to check them out and not use that, you can free to do that too. You can feel free to do that too. But yeah, like I said, I just hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know by leaving a comment or a thumbs up down below. Also, if you are new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more content from me in the future. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!